Hi guys, subscribe and like. And this is my first chocolate chip cupcake recipe. Okay guys, this is my cupcake mug cake that I made for my ready. Chocolate chip mug cake. Hi guys, we're here right now and we're making chocolate chip cupcake. So the ingredients you're gonna need for to make this is sugar, cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and chocolate chips. I use some sweet chocolate chips. You can get them from Giant. And you need baking powder and all-purpose flour and milk. So this is what you're going to have to do. Get your cookies, put them down in plates, and then you put your milk. You put in a little bit of milk, not enough, like that. And then, before adding anything else, you have to smash it. This might take a while. Until it looks like something like this. And then what you're gonna want to do and then you're gonna have to add 2 spoons of sugar. 2 spoons of sugar. That. 2 spoons of sugar. Then you're gonna want to add half a tablespoon baking powder. Just half. And then you're gonna have to get, you can add add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then you have to mix it all up. Until it gets that texture. Then you're gonna wanna put in the chocolate chips on top. Then mix it all up, Then you're gonna take the spoon out. You're gonna cover this and you're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45. You have to put it in for 1 minute and 45. one, it should look something like this. But if yours comes out kind of wet or something, put it in the microwave for like about another 35 seconds. Then it won't have that wet texture. Look. This is how it should turn out. Good. Really? Traditional glasses. It's just a wide.